I'm gonna delete this watermelon video because nothing happened to it.
Then you have to delete some videos.
I'd only recorded for 5 minutes and 37 seconds.
You gotta be kidding me.
Yeah, but I mean, we didn't miss anything, you know. Is yours recording?
Yeah.
Let's go set up the GoPro.
Well, it's never gonna say iPhone storage full anyway.
No, it's not. But battery, do you have battery?
It runs 500 GB.
Exactly.
I think you're supposed to buy 256 GB.
Well, I gotta pay for my iCloud. I think that's part of it. I gotta pay for a cloud.
But it says iPhone storage full.
Bless you.
This is never gonna happen to my phone.
What time is it? I'm gonna go charge my phone so I have some battery. Back up. Don't get close to it, okay?
I won't get close to it. Mom.
That's still too close. You have to stand over here. Like over here. Like all the way over here.
But it's all over here.
So, because that's a big chunk that's going to fly off. That's heavy. Come over here. Oh, because you want to be in the video. Is that it?
Yes.
If you go like this, you're going off the edge of the deck.
Well, if it's gonna explode, I'll run.
Okay, sit in the chair and I'll get you a helmet and goggles. Okay?
Do not get in that bucket.
Huh?
Do not get in that bucket.
You need a bucket. You need hand protection.
No, do
You
not.
don't have a hard hat.
Then order that whole helmet.
It's not going to come in 1 second.
It'll come in 2 days. Just order it anyway. It won't sit.
Okay, hold on.
Mommy,
What?
I touched the chair. It's
Don't worry about it. You want your jacket? Are you cold?
No, but I feel like it touched the chair. Is it clean?
Don't worry about your hands so much, buddy. You're a boy. You're
Mommy,
fine.
can you stop? Please, you're making me hiccup. Can you call Daddy to know the watermelon is gonna explode?
Sure.
Okay, it won't stop here. No, I'm not taking it.
You must.
I'm going to one that's gonna explode.
Huh?
Yo, my goggles will be fine.
What about the top of your head? It's going to crack.
No,
It might.
it won't anyway.
It could crack. It's a watermelon on your head.
It's not gonna go in my head.
Exploding.
It's not going to.
You
I
don't know
swear.
that.
Yes, I do.
It
It's
can go
not
anywhere.
mine. I don't care about that.
Should we move this so it's not so close to the edge? That way when you back up, you don't go over the edge. Let's do that. Let's do that.
I'm not gonna kill. I like that though. Okay, do it.
Hold the watermelon so it doesn't explode. No, don't hold the watermelon. Never mind. Make sure you're recording because it might pop right now.
Then
Make sure you're recording because it might pop right now.
I am recording.
No, put it on the camera on the watermelon. Just hold it and turn it on.
No, stop, please.
Okay, I just don't want you to fall backwards off the edge of this thing.
I'm not. I swear.
Or what if we switch it around? What if we put the camera on this side, the watermelon on this side, and then you could sit over there? And then you'd be in the video too.
I don't want to look at the sun. The sun is on me.
Mm-hmm.
So it's no.
How about this way? Camera there, watermelon, Brody right here.
There's still gonna be the sun.
There's no sun right here.
Yes, there is.
Sit right here.
Right there. it is.
No, camera's on that side.
No, I don't want to. I can't do anything tonight. I'm sorry.
How long do you think it's gonna take?
10, 15, 20 minutes?
Okay. Put your goggles on. And your helmet.
It's not gonna explode yet.
It could.
No, it won't. Not yet.
There. So when he explodes and he goes backwards, is he gonna fall off the edge of the edge there, Hawkins?
Well, that's like maybe.
Right? Maybe get startled and go backwards, right? Should we move our chair like on this side and like put the watermelon there and the camera there?
Yeah. Let's do that.
That way we don't hear it? Or should we move this table more back?
All you gotta do is move the watermelon right here, and then he can sit here. On the water.
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to say.
Okay.
We don't want to do that. Can you move your chair right here? You could sit right
What?
here and then we'll
What's
put
the
the
big deal if
watermelon
he
right
just sits
there,
right there?
and the
He's
camera.
not gonna fall. It's like 8 feet back.
You don't think he's going to fall off the edge right there?
No.
The edge is right where he's sitting.
But he's gonna be closer to it, right? Isn't he? If he puts the rubber bands on it?
I think he's just going to keep sitting right there. He's not adding the rubber bands.
Wanna move the watermelon? No. If it explodes right now, am I gonna get all wet? All messy? Flag.
Okay.
You want me to?
Dad, somehow we move the table.
No, Mom. No.
Make your food and then help me move the table back. Just move it that way a little bit.
All right. Careful.
It's gonna pop right in my face.
Uh-huh.
Okay,
Is that good?
should be good, yeah.
Okay, Brody.
Yeah, I think that's good.
Now move your chair closer.
Perfect.
Nice. Now you got it.
That's better. Here, Grandma. I'm coming.
It's cracking.
Is it? It's dripping a lot, Brody. I'm so scared right now. It's gonna fly that way. That's what I'm scared of. It's gonna fly right to you.
Oh, just the same thing. What's gonna happen?
I don't know if it will.
Nope.
Please put this on your head.
No.
If you die, I'm gonna kill you.
this bottom. The bottom can't crack. Please. So one more I gotta go. What the fuck? Mommy, I see the bottom cracking.
You see the bottom cracking?
It's right there.
Are you? Oh, I see it, Tom! Should we swim it upside down? Should we turn it around
Sure.
so the crack is on the top? Oh my God! What if it explodes on me? Back up! Back up! Back up!
Here. I swear. Here. Turn it around. Do it.
Okay.
Do it. I
Oh
swear.
Jesus! Help me!
Do it.
Jesus,
Hurry.
help me!
Hurry. It's supposed to explode. I swear. You're going to run out of time.
Oh my God! It's cracking so much. Should I turn it around for real, or should I just leave it?
I think you should turn it around.
What if I mess it up?
But there's a lot of water spilling. Mommy.
Brody, I don't know if I should turn it around. Maybe I should just leave it.
Mommy.
What?
I was going to pick it up till that I wanted for water
Okay, put your
bottles.
goggles on! Put your goggles on!
Okay, stop. Mommy.
What?
I was about to pick up the watermelon. Here. Oh, it's actually cracking.
Oh!
It's cracking along. I swear. I swear.
I'm scared. I hear it!
Mommy, stop.
Put your hat on.
Stop talking.
Put your hat on.
Please stop. Go ahead, mess it up. Should I put more? I think I should. It's not gonna crack yet, I swear.
It's cracked right now.
But the bottom is more cracky.
Let me ask Papa.
Oh my God, it's cracking on the bottom. No!
Put your hat on.
Should I just put one? I think I should put one more then. I can't let this happen, please. Right, I'm going to put one more there and just not going to explode yet.
I see it.
I'll stay right here. Oh, why is it cracking so
I
much?
think it has to be. You want to try and turn it around? Okay. Because the rubber bands went too low. Right?
Yeah.
At the
Right.
bottom.
Is there a video?
All right, let me try and turn it around. If it might explode, then we got to start from the beginning again. Is that okay? All right.
Be careful.
I'm trying not to squeeze it.
Oh, it's cracked already. I see it.
Well, it's a pretty big
Right
crack,
on the
Brody.
bottom.
So now, if you put the rubber bands lower, this side will get more squashed, and it won't squash this. But if you put them up higher, this will probably pop sooner. Okay.
This is pretty brave, dude.
Got the right angle. Should be wearing a rain poncho. Is the crack getting any bigger when you put another one on there? Oh yeah, or squeezing out. It's dripping, dude.
I think that's all. I think come watch it from the inside. Nope, 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 nope. No. Brody. Let it just pop. It's gonna pop.
Not yet.
It's gonna pop. Go watch it from right inside the window.
It's not gonna happen yet,
You
Ice.
can get hurt.
It's not gonna happen yet. I swear it's not gonna happen.
It's cracked open.
It will crack soon, I swear.
You have enough battery on your phone? Did you check?
My battery's full, I swear.
Alright.
I see the red thing.
Brody, if it
Don't put
pops
your
when
face
it's
in
out
it.
there, it's gonna hurt. That'll like, if it explodes. You gotta be careful.
There you go. Put your hat on. Put your hat on because Dad's gonna get really mad. You gotta wear it. Should you record this? Can I pick up the camera and record the crack? Is that okay or no?
I really don't know to show.
Should we show it? I can't see if it's showing. Okay.
Back up. Maybe you should watch it from inside. At the window.
You want to see it from the inside of the house? Do you want to see it from the inside of the house, like right there where that chair is? Watch it from inside so it's safe? Sure. He wants to be in the video. Put your hat on. Put your hat on. Your helmet. Put your helmet on.
Not too close, little. Well, it's cracking a whole bunch on this side. Look, look, come here. Come here, quick. Look. See the big crack? Okay, be careful. It's gonna explode now. It's cracked in half, Gina. It's cracking in half. Yeah, see on this side?
Oh, the crack's getting bigger. Is it gonna explode, bro? Yeah? Okay. Come see over here, look.
Oh yeah.
Put that away. See it.
I think the birds are gonna eat some watermelon tonight. They keep how much longer now? Lori, do you want mac and cheese now? You have some cheese, Kayla. Yes? No. Just wait for that. So he does.
Hey, gobble down.
I'll do it.
I'll do it. You sit back.
No, I'll do it. I promise.
Hat. If you're gonna do it, you gotta wear the hat.
Alright, there's one angle. But they're cracking the skin worse.
Yep.
It's cracking more.
Yes.
I swear this is about to happen. You just wear the helmet anyway.
It's expanding. Don't say yeah, I'll wear the helmet. You wear the helmet.
No,
You're the child. You gotta put it on, baby. Please put it on. I'll feel much safer if you just wear it, okay?
I'll be okay. It's cracking the wall. It's cracking the wall. Yeah. Mama. It's cracking, I swear. Is it cracking more?
Okay, back up now. That's
It
good.
kinda is
Go
now.
over there.
I'm just put 2 more, okay?
Okay, it's done. That's it. Done.
Ah,
Oh, Brody. Okay, back up. Okay.
one man was about to do my. Oh, so fell. It's a little bent. Mommy, it's not gonna crack yet though. Should I do one more? Yes, okay. So what, Mommy? I didn't hear it cracking, but
Okay, back up your head from the thing.
can you stop? I'm checking if it's gonna crack
Okay,
yet.
you don't gotta check it that good.
Yeah, I just gotta put one more. I think I just gotta put one more. This is finally my dream to see that it's gonna explode. It's finally time to know that it's going to. Just one more, Mom.
Okay, okay.
Okay, I'm not doing any more. They can see the watermelon is gonna explode. Why does the watermelon look like that? It's just gonna explode just like that.
Oh, it got bigger. She's gonna blow.
Is it gonna like? Do they explode when they crack like that, Brody, or they don't explode after that? Brody,
Can I put one on?
is it gonna explode?
Where should I put it? High, middle, or low?
Middle.
Middle. Got it. Middle. Oh boy.
Watch your face.
Got it. Your turn. This is like Kerplunk when you pull off the stick and see what happens. Hey. Well, you do it much smoother than I do. Can I do it again? He looked at you first. Ready? All right. I can't do it as good as you do. There it is. I want to get a spoon and eat that.
Okay, now back up.
Did it crack anymore? Do it again. Flies are all over everything. Nice. Okay, here comes another one, bro. I don't know if is it gonna. Do you think it's gonna explode? It will, even though it's cracked. Okay.
Yeah, like maybe that let the pressure out. Maybe it's so uneven.
Mommy, it's gonna crack too. Alright, let me do this. So I could. Okay, that's good. Yeah, definitely. I think I should go like 2 more. So once that's spinning watermelon.
Careful.
It's so cool, man. Just be careful, okay? It's amazing. You crack already? Doing okay?
Mommy, the blue's got stuff. Doing that sound because I can't mess up my
lot bigger.
It's cracking bigger. This is going to take forever. This is good. It's cracking so much. It's really about to crack. It's cracking that part.
Yeah, big, really big.
It's gonna crack soon.
Back up now.
I'm backing up. Mommy, I think I hear it cracking. Once I've spent water, it's just water, not melon. Hey, Mom. I didn't know it was gonna crack at the top, because we had to rotate it.
Yeah, what?
We had to rotate it because it was gonna crack.
Yeah, well, I mean, yeah.
I'll do it. Okay. Mom makes dinner on me. Why do I
I think you got to stand back and let me do it. Back.
Mommy, I see that orange thing right there.
Yeah, it looks weird in the inside.
I think it's just a seed, right?
I don't know what it is.
It probably is.
Don't know what it is.
I'll do it too. What? Okay, fine. I will. Okay, fine. I will only do it if I do the rubber bands, okay?
That's good. That's good.
And then I'll take it off after I stop doing the rubber bands. You know, I can't let this explode yet. It's been 47 minutes, bro.
Why is it taking so long, bro?
I don't know. But I think it's my anyway. I think it's cracking. Is it cracking loose? Oh shoot! It's really about to crack. I swear. I think we should stop, right? Or
What?
oh my God! Stop making this happen. I think it's a watermelon in my goggle, right?
It might be.
I think there is.
It might be.
My God, this keeps going my way. What do I do?
What goes in your way? Put it to the back.
Well, this is
The
like
handle?
this.
Put the handle in the back. Here you go.
Oh, okay. Please. It's been like 49 minutes now, bro. I can't let this happen. I can't let this happen.
Okay, well, I think it's going to still be a while. Would you like to go pee-pee? Bro?
No, not really.
Hurry. Okay, this is taking too long. My Julie's waiting for me to call her, actually.
I swear.
But she's new, so I don't want her to hear me screaming on the phone when this thing pops.
Yo, this thing is in my way, I swear. Yo, can't let this happen, I swear.
You want a jacket, Nana?
No. It's been 50 minutes now, Mom.
This is taking too long. I'm kind of getting bored with this now. I want to go in the house.
Then you can.
Why are you going to leave you to get splattered by watermelon?
I won't get splattered by watermelon.
You might.
I won't.
I mean, it's highly probable that you will if you're out here. Come inside with me then.
I really won't. I really don't want this to explode without me seeing it. I can't let it happen, Mom. Please. Trust. I can't. Mommy, it's spilling water for water juice. Mommy. Hey, Mom. What is that spilling? It's water juice.
It's watermelon juice.
No, it's just water juice. Like,
Isn't it watermelon juice?
no, it's just water juice.
Water juice. My God.
Like, it's a clear water which is spilling in the watermelon.
Yeah, but does it smell like? It smells like what? Rubber bands and watermelon.
I think I can hear it cracking. Oh, it's just. I think it's cracking even more.
The birds are gonna be eating good tonight.
Boys better stop.
Birds are gonna love it.
I beg. My phone, my phone. I swear. No, don't. Stop. I swear. Oh my God.
If it would have exploded right when your phone fell down,
I've been thinking about it.
okay, so
It
that
will.
means should we have double cameras just in case? A
No.
GoPro too?
No,
No. Okay.
I swear. I really can't. Bro, it's being windy.
Do you want your jacket, Brody?
No, I don't need.
Do you want to like put a bag over your clothes and then you can have your arms, your legs, and your head out of the bag, and the bag will cover your clothes? Let me go get that for you.
No thanks.
No
I will
thanks?
not get wet.
Okay, whatever you
I
want.
think
then.
my phone's getting red, huh?
Oops, I'm on the camera. Shit.
Don't say that.
I'm sorry.
No, don't stop. No, don't race it.
Okay, just blank me out of the camera, okay? On TikTok. I don't want to be on video.
Okay, I will try to like delete you after I. Oh, it's cracking even worse. Oh my god. Oh my god, what I'm doing?
It's really cracking now, Brody. It's really cracking. Back
cracking
up.
what?
Back up. Go back up.
Let me just put
Go
one
on your
more.
chair.
Okay,
Here,
stop,
give it to me.
stop.
Give it to me.
I'll do it. No more, Mom. No more,
No more.
okay?
Okay? No more.
Okay, no more helmet. Okay, it's gonna crack. I swear it's going to. I'm bleeding, Mom. My finger.
Come here.
My finger's bleeding.
Finger bleeding. Let me see it.
Help, I need a napkin. Oh no, just say, I need a red napkin.
Okay.
Yo. It's actually cracking. I see it. I see it cracking even more. It's cracking more. It's going to crack even more. Mommy, look it.
I know.
It's cracking even more. I see it.
I didn't see you there. Oh my. Oh, Brody. Almost time. Okay, if you're gonna stand that close, you gotta put the hat on. Hat.
Bucket.
Helmet. Potato. Basket, actually. It's an Easter basket.
You gotta put more on there? Good idea. I don't know, dude. Is it gonna squish up more, you think? Will it still explode?
There's a lot of rubber bands on there now. It's crazy. It's gonna be a big mess, actually. Worse than a flag. How's your thumb? What happened to your thumb? Skin like that. Hang out. That's bandage right up there. You want a bandage? Those are like the apocalypse band-aids. You couldn't get them off. They're the ones from the doctor. We're getting really close now. That's what I think. I think it's just gonna slowly split like it usually. And then that'll be it. Maybe. That'd be pretty anticlimactic. It would be. I don't think he does it. Maybe. 1 minute? You want to put it on? What do you think? Huh? Can you put it on? I mean, how long are we supposed to stay out here? That's what I'm thinking. It's cracking a lot. It might not explode, Brody. What if it just cracks open and peels off? That's all it does.
But the pressure's already released. Huh?
Maybe if we add more down here, it'll do something.
Put the hat on.
Stop.
Why? Stop?
Don't put the rubber bands
He says stop. I'm gonna believe him. Oh, back up!
I saw it.
That was great.
Brody,
get it on
that was
video?
a really good one.
Did it.
Whoa. I want to eat it.